Tucked behind private gates on 20 pristine acres in Stuart, Florida, this is a rare offering for the serious equestrian buyer, a fully furnished, turnkey estate where world-class horse facilities meet true Florida luxury living. The plantation-style main residence spans 2,300 square feet, with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The main-level primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with a spa-inspired bath and a spacious walk-in closet, while the stainless steel kitchen anchors an open living space designed for both quiet mornings and effortless entertaining. A wraparound porch invites you to slow down and take in the pond and pasture views, and the private pool offers a refreshing escape after a day in the saddle. A whole home generator, metal roof, and newer air conditioning systems provide lasting peace of mind. For the horse enthusiast, the amenities here are extraordinary. A 15-stall central barn features air-conditioned tack and feed rooms, wash racks, and spray foam insulation for year-round comfort, while a stunning 120 by 230-foot covered arena, complete with premium footing and mirrors, allows you to ride in any season. 6 paddocks, cross-country fencing, and secure perimeter fencing complete this exceptional facility. Just 3 miles from the prestigious Apogee Golf Club, this property places you minutes from championship golf. While downtown Stuart, the sailfish capital of the world, offers pristine beaches, celebrated sport fishing, and charming waterfront dining. Boating enthusiasts will love the easy access to the St. Lucie River in the Atlantic. Families will appreciate the Martin County School District, rated A by the Florida Department of Education for the 2nd consecutive year. Witham Field, Martin County's premier private aviation airport, is just minutes from your front door, and Palm Beach International Airport is approximately 35 minutes away. Offered at $3,950,000. This is more than a home, it is your lifestyle. For a private showing, please call Matt Walsh with Illustrated Properties at 561-886-8456.